What are you doing?
I'm coming to get my nuts.
You didn't put your nuts in this hole.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I had fat nuts and I put them right here.
You.
Yes.
Put your nuts.
Yes.
In this hole.
Yes.
Let me taste them.
What?
Let me taste your nuts.
No.
Yes, I need to see if they're salty or got a little tang like my nuts. My nuts taste tangy. Fine, go ahead and lick my nuts. Your nuts taste tangy, so they my nuts. Oh yeah, let me lick. These nuts are my nuts. They taste salty. Now that I think about it, my nuts also taste salty. So yeah. You just said, you know what? The real question is, are you ready to die about these nuts? Oh, I step to nut stealers like you every day. Oh, baby, I'll bust your nuts for my nuts. Go ahead and bust a nut then. Man, you know what? Oh, so now you just gonna put my nuts in your mouth? You just gonna put my nuts in your mouth? You know what? You can have my nuts. Go ahead, swallow my nuts. Swallow them. Swallow them. Y'all wanna have a threesome? Oh. Who the hell are you? Yeah, you trying to swallow my nuts too?
I thought y'all were... Never mind.